right.
You open up yourself up to a world of hurt.
Yeah, he said don't go right. That's all he said. He wasn't specific as to why not to go right, but I trust him.
That's where the Rougarou live.
The ancient one. I wish it was gator food out.
Uh-oh.
Just so I can see.
That's not good.
And be like, Mom, I wrestled the gator. Even though it almost took our boat. It was good though. I don't think they're that aggressive if you don't mess with them. But like humans, they're afraid of something they don't know.
How come y'all philosophical?
Their instinct is to attack.
You know, I have swamp nightmares from time to time.
Really?
Yeah.
As long as it's not dark and we're in the swamp, I'm good.
But this is beautiful.
Snakes out here.
Yeah. But I love this. This is great. This is probably my favorite thing we've done.
I'm so happy we got the life vest. For our butt. Look at the little bug. Mariah, you gotta warn people when you ship. God, why did I leave my Xanax?